Have you started to get problems with your motorcycle battery? Perhaps it's not working as well as it used to, and you're now considering to replace it with a new one. In this video, we'll take a look at when it's time to change your battery and when the solution is much simpler than that. If you've started noticing that your motorcycle isn't firing up as easily as before, or that your lights are dimmer, you might be wondering, do I need a new battery? The good news is, in many cases you don't. Often, a simple recharge is all it takes to get back on the road. But how can you tell the difference between a battery that needs charging and one that needs replacing? Let's break it down, if you'll excuse the pun. A healthy motorcycle battery should have a voltage reading of around 12.6 volts when fully charged. If your battery is below this, a recharge might be the solution. Some common reasons a battery loses charge include infrequent use. If your bike sits for long periods, the battery can naturally discharge. Cold weather, low temperature, reduces battery efficiency and makes starting harder. Power drain from accessories. Tracking devices, alarms and other electronics can slowly drain the battery. If the engine cranks slowly, or it takes multiple attempts to start, or if the headlights and dashboard lights appear dimmer than usual, or electrical components such as indicators or the horn don't function properly, try changing the battery. A smart charger like the CTEK Power Sport or the MXS 3.8 can revive deeply discharged batteries to bring them back to life. And by regularly charging your motorcycle battery with a CTEK charger, you can prolong its lifetime by up to 3 times. While charging can resolve many issues, sometimes a battery has simply reached the end of its lifespan. Here are the key signs that indicate that a replacement is necessary. The battery no longer holds charge. If the charger cannot fully recharge the battery, or if the battery drains quickly even after a full charge, it may be beyond saving. It requires frequent jump starts or charging. If your battery can't maintain power for more than a few days, it's likely worn out. Physical damage. Swelling, leaks, or corrosion on the terminals are definite indicators that it's time for a new battery. If this is the case, then even regular charging with a good quality charger might not help. If a battery has reached the end of its lifetime, it will struggle to hold charge. Replacing it with a high-quality alternative is the best course of action. But once you've got your new battery, be sure to give it the best maintenance possible by regularly charging it with a CTEK battery charger. This will make sure that you keep it in good condition and will extend the time it takes before you need another replacement. Be sure to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone preparing for the new adventures. And as always, leave your questions or tips in the comments below. Stay safe and thanks for watching.